Welcome back to Bone Smoke and Sizzle. Today we're going to be making a South African sausage which is called Boerewors. To make the Boerewors sausage, we need beef and pork, and from the beef side we need beef trimmings, 600 grams per kilo, and we also need 350 grams of pork trimmings. Those are type 3, so they have about 15 to 20% fat. From the herbs and spices we need 16 grams of table salt per kilo. We need 2 grams of ground black pepper per kilo. We need 1 gram of ground coriander per kilo. We need 0.5 grams of ground cloves per kilo. We need 0.5 grams of ground allspice per kilo. And we need 0.5 grams of ground sweet paprika per kilo. From the liquid side we need 20 grams or 20 ml of cider vinegar per kilo, and we need 30 grams of cold water per kilo. From the casing we use pork casing, and those ones are 30 to 32 ml. You probably need about 1 meter per kilo or 1.1 meter. So these are the ingredients for the Boerewors. So we have the meat, the spices and the liquid. The next thing what we need to do is we need to set up the grinder with the 8mm blade. I have set up my grinder now with the 8mm blade, and the next thing what we're gonna do is we grind the beef and the pork through this blade. So let's get started. So the meat is nearly done. That's it. And the next thing is now is we start mixing everything together. Let's add the salt, the pepper, so all the spices we have. Now let's give this one here a quick mix. So we just want to spread in the salt with the spices. That's it. Now we're gonna add the vinegar. Vinegar does something weird to the meat, so it prevents it from binding. And we also add the water. Now we need to give this one here a really good mix. That will take quite some time because of the vinegar. Slowly we're getting a little bit of bind. As I say, the vinegar prevents it because of the acid in there. So that takes a little bit of time. We are nearly there. The other thing, a tip if you make Boerewors and if you can't get the binding going, add 4 or 5 grams of baking powder. That will compensate and helps you to generate a binding. So we are there. Let's have a look what this looks like. So as you can see, it has a nice cut, and also you can smell that Boerewors flavors because of the vinegar, the allspice and the cloves. I will put this now in the filler and let's start filling those sausages. Let's add this mix. So, push it down so we don't have any air in there. Well, avoid it as much as possible. Right, that's it. Let's start filling. Before we start filling, normally those sausages are filled in one big ring, so they are not twisted. But I twist them. You can leave them in a ring if you want to, but for me, portion size is much better. The casings what I have here, they are soaking in cold water for about 30 minutes now. Find the opening, put 2 fingers in it, scoop up some water and pull it up. Should go on fairly easy. In case someone asks here, I'm using a 22mm horn or nozzle. Now let's add a knot into it. That will do. Wet a little bit the casing and let's start filling. Fill it semi-firm. Or if you leave it in a ring, fill it firm. Oh, that's it. Just cut the casing off. Let's make a knot in there. And as I say, you could leave them in a ring or we can twist them. I twist them now. When you leave them in a ring, they will look like this here now, and then you fry them and you cut off the way you want it. So if you've got a big barbecue, perfect in a ring. For individual portioning, twisting is much better. So I twist mine. I twist them about 12-14 centimeters long. So you can see, hold, measure, hold, squeeze and turn them. Turn them a few times, make them the size you like or leave them as one piece like I said before. That's it, and the last one we leave like that. Cut the ends off, of course. Let's have a look what they look like. As you can see, a beautiful cut on it. Also, as they are twisted, for me they are a good size for frying. Looking good. The Boerewors itself, the flavor changes also from the type of vinegar you're using. I'm using apple cider, so apple vinegar. If you will use white wine vinegar, you also get a different flavor out of it. Otherwise, you can see it's very simple to make Boerewors. So you got the beef, you got the pork, you got the herbs. You cut it through the 8mm blade, so you grind that. You give it a good mix. If you have an issue with the pinting, add 4 to 5 grams of baking powder. That will help you. That's a little trick. And then fill it, leave it as a ring, or do what I do, make little sausages out of it any size you like. If you liked that video, hit the thumbs up, tell others about it, subscribe to the channel and let me know what you think of it. Leave some information in the comments. I'll reply to it as soon as possible. Otherwise, I wish you all the best. Have fun making sausages. Until the next time, bye bye.